Every tech support person tells you to turn the air conditioner on and off, but it doesn't work. Even after switching from hot to cold, your car continues to blast warm air in your face. You know there's a problem with your ride, but you're not sure what it is, so you arrive at the office exhausted, sweaty, and grumpy. To make things easier for you, dear viewer, I'll just say that the AC compressor is probably broken. Here are 3 signs to look out for and the approximate cost of replacing your air conditioner's compressor. But just before we start, please ensure you've subscribed to the channel. The car won't blow as cold as it once did. You might not notice it right away, but eventually you'll be sweating profusely in your Toyota and using the air conditioner non-stop on a sweltering summer day. Although a leak in your air conditioning system might be the cause, you should check for a malfunctioning compressor. Strange compressor operation. Therefore, the compressor has a clutch that engages and disengages the device's operation, just like many belt-driven accessories. Even if the cabin air conditioning is turned off, the compressor will still run if the clutch is seized. The compressor simply won't operate at all if the clutch is totally damaged. Even though you could replace the clutch in this situation, replacing the entire compressor is much simpler and takes less time. Strange noise. A noise is typically an indication that something is moving where it shouldn't, as is the case with most car-related issues. However, when it comes to your compressor, strange sounds are not a good sign, particularly if they only happen when the air conditioner is running. Take note of the mechanical whining sound, which is fairly constant in pitch. It will also become louder as you bring your ear closer to the air compressor. What causes an AC compressor to stop working? You should now add more refrigerant to your air conditioning system because, in the worst case, it will cause your compressor to stop working. Because they are in the engine bay, AC compressors can collect grit, lubricants, dust, and grime. As a result, the unit's spinning components lose efficiency and begin to wear down too soon. Your compressor will malfunction in this situation, leaving you without a functioning air conditioning system. Dirt, grime, and caked-on debris are your worst enemies because they will cause your car to perform poorly, just like many other parts. Replacement cost. Some cars have more accessible air compressors than others, so you'll need to spend anywhere from $300 to $900 on labor if you're not that handy with a wrench yet, or if you'd rather spend the money to save time. Depending on the year and model of your car, the compressor itself can cost different amounts. For instance, the 2004 Toyota Sequoia's AC compressor would cost $150 to $180. You can calculate how much money this project will cost if you can do it yourself. Factor in 3 to 4 hours of your time, patience, and bloody knuckles, and add shipping to the total cost. Can you drive with a faulty AC compressor? With a malfunctioning air compressor, you can still drive because it will only be a pulley. There won't be any resistance to produce extra friction or draw on the engine. Don't worry if you don't need air conditioning, don't care about it, or can't afford to fix it at the moment. Just make sure the compressor wheel isn't swaying out of balance and that the accessory belt is taut. I hope the information was helpful and you will press the like button and subscribe to the channel.